If you're looking for a 2-bedroom fifth wheel with 2 full bathrooms that has light interior colors and 2 king-size beds that's good quality, this is the one right here. Let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For y'all that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and I am here in Elkhart, Indiana at the Forest River display in this east to west section here, taking a look at this east to west Ahara, and this is their 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom model. So I'm gonna come here and show you the floor plan layout real quick. Now, as I come and show you the floor plan layout, keep in mind, at this event that I'm at, I would love to be able to give you pricing information, but unfortunately, there is no pricing information here at this event. Now, if I'm able to get some pricing information for you, I certainly will try, but this event here, and this is the floor plan there, this event here is an event put on for manufacturers to show dealerships what's new for 2024. So dealerships, owners, VPs, stuff like that, they all fly in for this event to come take a look at stuff. And there's no pricing information displayed. It's just so the dealers can see things here. And prices are not determined until dealerships actually order them and get them in stock at their dealership. So I don't know if I'll be able to find this in stock at somebody's dealership, but if I can, I will put that pricing information down below. And keep in mind, prices are different at different dealerships in different states and things like that as well. As we come back this way, we're going to kind of start in the back. And the first thing I noticed just walking by this product here is it has a very clean look on the outside. It's just white and black with slight touches of maybe what you could consider gray right there. Has square windows as well, so it has that nice clean look on the outside. You have this rear entry door with a solid step going in there. And it does have, you can see here, a touchpad entry on that. Has the MORryde step up, or not MORryde step above. It does have the MORryde step above step, but it has the MORryde safety railing here. Ladder to get up onto the roof already installed there, and you have cable-driven slide outs here on your smaller slides and a rack and pinion style, probably hydraulic slide there on your larger slides. Now it's a little wet and rainy and a little muddy over here, so I'm gonna go back this way. We'll come back around here. You also have brake and reverse lights on this fifth wheel as well. So a lot of fifth wheels out there surprisingly do not have reverse lights on them, but this one here does have that. You have 2 awnings on the outside, and then it looks like it has a Cooper H-rated tire. So when we come down underneath here, you have a Cooper H-rated tire. It is a, let's see, where's the number on it? It is a 215/75R 17.5 tire. A MORryde CRE 3000 suspension system down underneath here as well. And then down underneath here is, let's see, you can even see they're doing like this 2-inch beam right here that's welded to the frame. That's going to give you more support for towing and things like that over the long haul of owning your RV. So that's something that's nice to see there as well. And then underneath here, you can see your axles. You have a fully enclosed underbelly. All your water tanks and water lines will sit above the enclosed underbelly, above the insulation. And I believe this will have 12-volt heat pads on the water tanks as well, but I don't want to say something that I haven't confirmed yet, so I'll try to remember to look at that when we go inside. You'll have LED lights underneath your awning that are not on right now, but they're up against the sidewall, so whether your awning is in or out, you will get use of those. And again, just a really nice, clean look on the outside. This is a full profile fifth wheel, so it does have a drop frame down underneath here, but do keep in mind, there are a good number of 2 full bedroom, 2 full bathroom fifth wheels out there that also do a drop frame along the back. This one does not have the drop frame along the back, which gives you better ground clearance on the tail end of this fifth wheel. Up through here, you can see all your storage space. It's absolutely massive. Also love that you have an outdoor shower on your campsite, and it's tucked back here in the storage space. That's going to be hot and cold water on your campsite. And then you have aluminum framing throughout here, welds on both sides of all your aluminum framing connections. And then you have slam latch baggage doors on all of your doors as well. 30-pound propane bottle. Have a Rhino pin box up front. Nice looking molded fiberglass front cap. Plus you have these LED light beams there. Those are going to have the diffuser on them, so they have that glowing effect that looks really nice. Spot up front here for your batteries. Also has a 2,000 watt inverter and all of your solar equipment back through here as well. So there will be solar on the roof. Along this side, you have your Nautilus water management system there, and you can see you have a tankless on-demand water heater. And that's pretty much it. Your auto leveling controls here as well. So as we come back this way, we're going to go step inside. I don't think anybody's in there right now, so great time to go step inside. Let's go take a look at this thing. So as we go inside here, another thing to mention, you have an Asdel sidewall. So this is going to be a composite panel sidewall. Does not have wood in the sidewall. So that is going to mean that it's going to prevent against any delamination or water and moisture damage occurring over time. See, this also has a 4-season package, so definitely going to be capable to camp in all 4 seasons. And as we come inside here, real quick, before we step inside of this RV, there's something that I'm really excited to talk to y'all about, and I actually want to ask you for a favor. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I pretty much never ask y'all of anything, but I'm going to right now because I started my second YouTube channel, which is called Firmly Unbound. Firmly Unbound is the name of my company, and Firmly Unbound is an expression of exploration and freedom in work, play, and faith. And I'm really excited about what's to come on this YouTube channel. There's a link down below in the description of this video and in the comments as well, where you can subscribe to Firmly Unbound. And I pretty much spent the whole last month traveling dang near coast to coast across the United States to show you what it means to live firmly unbound. So some exciting video content is coming. Can't wait to see y'all there. If you're lucky, it may even come with a Mountain Dew. But really nice looking living space in here. This feels very open, and gosh, if you just like light and bright colors, this is definitely it, because it is all light grays mixed in with the dark grays. I would consider this a gray because it's pretty dang close to white, but it's definitely like a really light gray look on that. And all the lighting on here just really reflects nice off of your white cabinets, or sorry, your white countertops and gray cabinets. So it looks great, and you can see your loft space up into there, your second bedroom. We'll get to that in just a second. Here in your slide out, you're going to have nice looking chairs here. 2 of these chairs will fold up, so you can store them away if you just want to have 2 chairs in this area. You're going to have pull down day and night shades, and they are all framed in. So this actually wood framing here. You can see how the shades go down in that frame piece, which I like that because that's going to prevent excess bleed coming in from the sides on the lights there. See your light fixture here above your dinette and above the island right there as well. So you'll have seating for 4 right here, and then seating for 2 more with your recliners here directly across from the TV. And when you sit down here, see your view of the living space from this recliner on the right. It does have a pretty huge island. That's a lot of countertop space on that island with flip-up countertops on both sides. So very, very interesting. And then both of these will recline. They'll be power recliners, and it looks like you have cup holders in the middle and a little storage space here in the middle that's deep enough for a remote to like stand up straight in. As we turn this way, something interesting that I noticed right away is this does have hidden storage behind the fireplace, which is not something I expected. So let me show you what that looks like there. So this fireplace here, it will pull out and you'll have storage back behind there. Prior to me filming this fifth wheel, I have never seen that in anything else other than Alliance RVs, and now seeing this in the East to West products as well. And so that is something that is definitely interesting that I did not know they were doing. And then that will close back up like so. So you'll have that hidden storage back behind there, 2 speakers here, and then looks like you'll have some kind of storage here. How does this open up? Oh, don't tell me. Okay, there we go. It opens up from the bottom. Kind of hard to get into that lip. There's no like good way to grab that. But down underneath here, you see you have an HDMI connection, so you can put something like a Blu-ray player down underneath here, or you can put like a game console or something like that. It does look like a game console would fit underneath here. It's a pretty good size space. LED light underneath there as well. And then up here you have your Jensen TV. It looks to be about a 50-inch screen TV. Hidden storage back behind there, so that will swivel around. Storage up above here. And then going into your kitchen space. Looks like solid hardwood cabinets, soft close cabinets. You have a GE stove and oven and microwave as well. It's going to be centered here in this space, so you can see it has a nice symmetrical look. And they actually do the same thing in the island, where your sink is also centered in this space. And it still gives you a good amount of countertop space, especially with the way these countertops flip up on the side. Very, very interesting. A little bit of a sharp corner there. I'm not going to lie. That's a pretty sharp corner on that end. I would have liked to see them maybe round that off just a little bit more, because that is a little bit sharp. But other than that, let's go into this kitchen space. You have this 4-burner stove and oven. Really nice, good residential size oven. I mean, if you're looking to live in something full time, this is definitely going to be equipped in every way for what you need to do that. Pull out drawer here next to it, and look at that. Love to see that. I don't know what other fifth wheel RVs are even doing a dovetail construction on their cabinets. That is really impressive. Definitely much better quality than ones that are just like essentially stapled together. So you have that dovetail construction on your drawers. This is going to be a residential size microwave there. And then here in the island, you have a single basin stainless steel sink, kind of industrial style looking faucet. And then underneath here, again, dovetail construction on those drawers. Love to see that. Shelving space underneath here, LED light underneath your island. Ooh, look at that. There you go. You have your spot for paper towels and some additional storage built in there as well. Flip down spot here for sponges and things underneath your sink. And then under here, trash can, and they did give you the cutting board in here with the hole in it so that stuff can just drop right into that trash can. So really like what I'm seeing so far from the Ahara. It is definitely a nice, well-equipped, full-time living fifth wheel. You have a 12-volt residential size refrigerator. This is an Everchill refrigerator. So you open this up and it has the French style doors. You'll have the shelving that they'll build in or put in. And then you have a 2 pull-out freezer sections. The only thing it doesn't have is an ice maker. I should say ice maker and dishwasher. But it should be noted that ice makers and dishwashers both come in countertop units. So you could get a countertop dishwasher or a countertop ice maker. And essentially too, I mean, you could also put it in a drawer or something like that. But there are options and ways to get that if those things are a must-have for you. And that's, you know, that goes for any fifth wheel. Open up this space, you have adjustable shelving all through here. This even doubles as like a coat closet, so you have those hooks in there since those shelves can be adjusted. Tall storage up here, even I would need a step stool almost to get up into that storage. And this is probably the same thing there. Yeah, it is. Same storage space up there. Shelving through here and a nice big coffee bar area. This does stick out far enough. You can fit some pretty big items on here. Like I have a dual zone air fryer that's pretty big. Looks like it would fit there just fine. And open this up and that's just all open storage through there as well. No floor vents in this fifth wheel, so you can see the heat is ducted down underneath your cabinetry, so don't have to worry about floor vents. And your slide out flooring perfectly matches the flooring in the rest of the fifth wheel, so you'll have that seamless look on the sides as well. Now as you go up into the loft, because there's no drop frame, this is going to give you a little bit more of a shallow loft space, so you will be doing something like a crawl on your stomach to move around in this space. It's going to be a great space for kids though. Kids love seeing stuff like this and they usually have a good time, but not even a kid would be able to sit up straight in a loft like this. So just something to keep in mind. You do have outlets and USB ports along the back, and those have a USB Type-C connection along the back there. AC in here, so definitely gonna have no problem staying cool in this space. And if you want to take these bunks out, this is also just a great space for storage where you can put some things that, you know, you have that huge storage space up there that you can use to store things away. So come back this way, you're going to have a king bed in this second bedroom. This is the first 2 full bedroom fifth wheel I've seen that's coming standard with a king bed in the second bedroom. Individual reading lights over each individual there as well. Magnet to hold that door open, and this looks like a lot of storage. So you'll have these here that slide out to hang clothes on, and underneath here that's all shelving built in there. Soft close on these as well. TV already installed in the bedroom. Pull down blackout shades and day shades on your windows. Same thing with the windows here in the bed. And then you're gonna have 4 pull-out drawers in this space. Again, dovetail construction on those drawers. Just love to see that. That is such an uncommon thing to find. And same storage on this other side. Should be storage underneath the bed, but there also may not be. There is, but it's pull-out drawers. The bed doesn't lift up. So you have the pull-out drawers here underneath. You can see you have 2 of them underneath this space. And then as we go back to the bathroom, the loft does not go all the way back over this space, which is really impressive because that felt like it went really far back. But this is going to give you basically an unlimited shower height. This is one of the few showers I do not feel the need to stand in. I can already tell that shower head sits high enough where it would be over my head. And this is tall enough for someone that's 7 feet. I mean, it's plenty of space. You have a porcelain foot flush toilet there. You also have on your door the screen defender, so that's going to protect your screen there from pets and kids and things like that, and the screen assist, so you don't have to go fishing for where this little small handle is to release your screen door. You can just push down on this bar at any point for that. Also has a privacy shade already built into this window here, so you can have that privacy shade come up so no one can peek into this space. You have your vent fan there, and you have AC ducted into this space. And then you have nice big countertop space, solid surface countertops. Storage underneath here, 4 pull-out drawers. And medicine cabinet storage up above here. I can't tell y'all just how impressed I am with the fact that this has dovetail construction on the drawers. That's just so... I really cannot think of another fifth wheel that's going to come in around what the price range of what this will likely be that will have that. Spot for shoes underneath your step. You have a grab handle going up your step as well. Controls for your fifth wheel, dimmer switches for your lights here in the living room, and your inverter charge control panel right here. As we go up into the bathroom, going to have a nice looking bathroom. It's pretty much a standard size bathroom for a fifth wheel RV. Here in the hallway, ceiling height in here feels like it's at least like 6'6", 6'7", so good ceiling height there. You have porcelain foot flush toilet with enough space on both sides of that toilet. Spot there for toilet paper, spot to hang towels, and then all this storage space back through here. This is a molded fiberglass one-piece shower. Has a nice looking setup here as well with your 4 different shower heads, including the wand. LED light here above the shower, so you have an artificial light source here in the shower, and you have the seat that is molded in there. Going to have 4 drawers that pull out here, so these will all be the same size. And then you have storage underneath the sink, nice looking countertop space, and pretty much identical storage to what was in the other bathroom. You also have a max air vent fan here in this bathroom. Going into the bedroom, you're going to have another king size bed. Same kind of storage underneath here, so very identical space. You have shelving in here that you didn't have in the other bedroom. Then you have windows, individual reading lights, AC in this bedroom that is ducted throughout the fifth wheel. It's going to have 3 ACs on here, and then you'll have TV there, and this has hidden storage underneath here. Try not to mess up the decor to pull this out. It does have a magnet that holds it in place, so you'd have to pull a little aggressively. Try to be extra careful with that decor on there. Again, 4 pull-out drawers, and then check this out. In your closet, you have a motion-activated sensor there, and you have an LED light beam in your clothing rod, and you have LED lights up above the closet as well. And then through here, this is where washer-dryer prep would be, so washer and dryer can go into this space there. Soft close drawers or doors on this, and same storage underneath the bed there as well. And that is pretty much everything on this model here. Again, this is the East to West Ahara 390 DS. There's some people that just walked in, so I'm gonna stay up here in the bedroom actually. But I'm very curious what you think about this model. If it's something that you could see yourself living in or camping in, traveling in, anything like that, let me know down below in the comments. And that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.